I did my MBA with finance and accounting, but I was always in the leadership side. Well, if you think of typical L&D, there's three areas of focus. One is leading yourself. That's all the assessments, Gallup's, StrengthsFinders, Myers-Briggs, DISC, all these different ones. So how do I understand myself as a leader? The second phase is leading others. That's where you get your communication, your feedback, all those other topics I was talking about earlier. Well, the third part is leading the company. Your L&D leaders are very good at the first two. They're experts in it. They've worked it their whole life. When it gets to leading others, some of them have had exposure, some have not. And so it's kind of seen as an add-on for them. And the reason I'm in my 15th year doing this is because I think it's absolutely vital. You're missing that one piece. If this is the major focus, you don't get to this, you're going to have great leaders, but they're not going to be strategic. They're not going to necessarily get you where you need to go. Whereas if they can understand the business, then they bring all the value of their great leadership, but they're also aligned with the business. There are many CEOs within your organization. And that's where the game changer comes. It's no longer just about leading the team. It's helping your team understand how they impact the business. When an employee can understand the why behind what a company is doing and how they impact it, their engagement will absolutely increase. Without business acumen, you're missing a huge piece of that leader's development. In the end, they're going to make better business decisions. They're going to be many CEOs saying, okay, what can we do to impact this cash driver, this profit driver, and apply it with their functional expertise? That's a game changer for them. And then being able to say, look, and on top of that, this is much easier to show an ROI than some of these other leadership topics, because each individual can impact at least the cost side of the business, and being able to show that return is huge for those leaders.